Small teeth. I can't tell you enough about small teeth. The technology's never been more favorable to anybody that's got small teeth, and it includes you if you have grinding. Guys, if you have small teeth, I have a solution for you. Generally, it's two categories. People who naturally just have underdeveloped teeth. The other thing is people who have bruxism, which means you grind your teeth. If you don't know me, my name is Bill Watson, and I'm with Brighter Image Lab, and I'm a smile designer. If you've grinded your teeth down, especially your front teeth, there's never been more technology available to correct your smile with a full digital design. And I hope you see that in the background. We can actually mock up a smile for you digitally with the right contours and the right curvatures, the structure to meet your smile line. A smile line is something that's important because it makes your whole face connect. It starts with the width of your eyes, your cheeks, and how your mouth would articulate itself. The reason why I want you to know that is because it's some of the things that we take into consideration on every smile that we design. But the smiles that are easiest to design are people who have underdeveloped teeth or people that have bruxism. Now you know how to improve your smile. I think you'll find that today more than ever you have an opportunity and a choice. And it's a choice that most people don't know enough about. Do what you can, go to brighterimagelab.com. I think if you go there, you're gonna see a lot of amazing smiles and you're gonna see that it's affordable. Look at our financing, look at our options. I will tell you that there's not anybody that we can't help, even if you don't have just small teeth or bruxism. If you wish to see what it would be like to have an amazing smile, then I think you owe it to yourself to go to our website and check that out. My name is Phil Watson. I'm a smile designer for Brighter Image Lab, and I hope this has helped.